Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time let me show you how you can reply to a specific email on your iPhone. So we're gonna jump directly into the Mail app on our device, and for example, I'm gonna click on this email right from Starbucks, right, for example. So as you can see, there is a like their name, the email address, and reply to. But when you click on this reply to, it basically just expands it and shows you which email you are responding to, right? So this is for informational purposes only, whereas below you have a set of buttons, right? So you have the trash, right, which lets you delete the message and so on. But if you click on the arrow which points to the left like that, you can see that you can now reply to that message. You can reply to all of them or forward it, right? So it depends on what you want to do, but let me click on a reply like that. And then now I'm specifically replying to that email. So I'm not starting a new one to that email address, but I'm replying to this. So as you can see, the subject is this emoji set or whatever it is, and also the conversation which was the first email is included in here because naturally it is a reply. So that's how it works. And in here at the top there is going to be enough space to type in your message or whatever you wanted, and of course then you send it with the blue arrow pointing to the top. So that's how it works. That's how you can reply specifically to an email which you receive. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.